see my fellow amateurs out there. What's up? This video is for you, okay? Those of you who know, you know. It is not easy making these YouTube videos, especially being an amateur. Like, we don't know what a tripod is. We have to prop our phones up on top of anything. We have to set our computers up on top of whatever we can find just to get a good angle. So what are we to do? Well, your good sis Bree took an L for all of us. I went and ordered us a tripod with a ring light, okay? The thing that these YouTubers tell us that we need, okay? So, do we really need it? We're about to see, okay? The instructions. So this is a 10-inch selfie ring light with tripod stand by JOGDRC. That's the company. Okay, so it's supposed to be able to hold your iPhone and your iPad. So I'm going to flip my device around so that y'all can see like how I'm setting it up. Okay, you guys, now let's test out our new tripod. First of all, the first thing that I noticed is, do you see how I'm able to get the nice frame that I was looking for? Like, we need a tripod. But here's where it gets real. Sis is about to turn the light on. Now, for those of you who have glasses, it's a little iffy because you can see the light in the glasses. So let's see how it works. not as bad at all. Like, you can see a little glare, but you can't see a real big glare. All right, y'all, so let's turn this light on and see what's really good. Y'all already know that we be trying to get these angles and this lighting out here. So let's just see what it's going to do for us. Ooh. What's up? What's up? Actually, okay, so this is the brightest light. I'm going to turn it all the way up. This is all the way up, I think. And then I'm going to turn it all the way down, as far down as it can go. Okay. And now I'm going to go to the next light. This is the coolest level. This is how light it can go. See, when I bring it up a little bit lighter, you're able to see like the ring in my glasses. But if I step back, y'all won't even know at all. It's a secret. It's a secret. Yes. And then this is the warmest light. That's the most natural light. Just look at this. So I'm pretty sure that you guys can answer the question for yourselves. Yes, we need a tripod. So the stand is 53 inches tall and the light is 10 inches tall. So it's a beautiful height, and it's like, I'm recording right now on my iPad, and of course the iPad doesn't go all the way up into the ring, but it goes up to like almost the top of the stick, the tripod, and it's perfect for me. It's so perfect. Like, if I want to step back, I don't really have that much room to step back, but if I wanted to step back, y'all can still see me. If I wanted to step up, y'all can still see me. Like, y'all can see me. It's a vibe. Okay? It's a vibe. So, girl, get you one of these. This thing cost me $30. Yes. Okay? $30. We can afford that. If you want to get the same one, I will leave the link down below. You already know. Yes. So, let me know what y'all think. You already know the deal on my new tripod with a ring light. Like, subscribe, and all that other stuff that they be telling y'all to do. Do it for your girl.